Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your kitchen bin, like really looked at it, and wondered, how much of this is actually waste and how much of it is opportunity? Because I'm going to be honest with you, most people are throwing away food every single day. Not spoiled food, not useless scraps, but living plants. Yeah, you heard that right. That celery base you tossed yesterday, that garlic clove that started sprouting, even the seeds inside that fruit you ate, those weren't scraps. Those were second chances. And if you knew what I'm about to show you today, you would never look at your kitchen waste the same way again. Welcome back to Plato Farm Garden, where we don't just grow plants, we grow smarter. Now today we're diving into something powerful. 15 kitchen scraps you can regrow into real, edible food. Some of these will grow back fast. Some take patience. But a few on this list, they can literally feed you for years if you treat them right. And I'm not exaggerating. So here's what I want you to do before we even start. Drop a comment right now. How many of these do you think you already throw away every week? Just guess a number. I'm really curious to see how many people are closer than they think. All right. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up. Number 1, watermelon. Now this one is simple, but powerful. Those seeds you spit out or throw away, they're not useless. They're future plants. All you have to do is rinse them, dry them properly, and store them. That's it. You've just saved seeds you can use for years. Quick question. Have you ever actually planted watermelon from seeds before? Or do you usually just throw them away? Number 2, pumpkin. Same idea, but here's where it gets interesting. Pumpkin seeds can grow into full plants, but sometimes they surprise you. If they cross-pollinated with another squash nearby, you might grow something completely unique. Imagine growing your own custom pumpkin variety without even trying. Would you actually like that, or would it scare you a bit? Number 3, butternut squash. Now this one rewards patience. If you let it fully mature before saving seeds, you get stronger, more reliable plants. And here's a tip most people don't know. Soaking the seeds before planting can boost your success rate a lot. Small detail, big difference. Number 4, strawberries. This one surprises a lot of people. You can grow strawberries from those tiny seeds on the outside. But there's an easier way. If you've ever seen those long little stems, runners. That's the plant literally trying to clone itself. One plant can turn into many. Let me ask you, would you rather grow strawberries from seeds or from runners? Number 5, pineapple. Now this one always gets attention. That leafy top you cut off, it can grow into a whole new plant. Twist it off, let it dry, put it in water, and boom, roots start forming. But here's the truth nobody tells you. It takes time, a lot of time, up to 2 years to fruit. So be honest, do you have the patience for something like that? Number 6, avocado. You've probably seen this online before. Toothpicks, water, waiting, and yes, it works. But here's what most people don't realize. Growing from seed doesn't always give you the same fruit. Still, you get a beautiful plant and possibly fruit later. Have you ever tried growing an avocado like this? Did it work for you? Number 7, peppers. Now this one is a game changer. Peppers are actually perennial plants, meaning they can live for years. The only reason most people replant them? Cold weather kills them. But if you bring them indoors, you keep the same plant alive and producing. Did you know peppers could live that long? Number 8, tomatoes. Here's where things get serious. Tomato seeds are easy to save, but the secret is fermentation. Yeah, it sounds strange, but it removes a coating that blocks germination. And once you get it right, you'll never need to buy seeds again. Number 9, bok choy. Fast forward, mid-list moment. Let me speed things up a bit, because some of these grow fast. Bok choy, you cut the base, put it in water, and in just a few days, new leaves start growing. It's honestly one of the most satisfying things to watch. If you tried this, would you keep doing it? Number 10. Garlic. Now listen carefully. That garlic clove that started sprouting, that's not spoiled. That's a plant trying to grow. Put it in the soil, and you get more garlic. Plus, there's something called garlic scapes. And if you know, you know. Have you ever eaten garlic scapes before? Number 11. Mint. This one is almost too easy. You put mint in water, it grows roots. That's it. But here's the catch. It spreads fast. Like, take over your garden fast. Would you plant mint freely or keep it contained? Number 12. Sweet potato. This is where things get exciting. One sweet potato can give you 10 to 20 new plants, and most people don't even know the leaves are edible too. So you're getting double value, food from the root and the leaves. Number 13. Celery. This one is just satisfying to watch. Cut the base, put it in water, and within days it starts coming back to life. It's like watching something wake up. Number 14. Romaine lettuce. Super fast, super easy, and if you plant it in soil after regrowing, you can get a whole new head. Have you ever tried regrowing lettuce? Number 15. Green onions. Now this is the king. Green onions regrow faster than almost anything. Within days, you're harvesting again. And here's the crazy part. You can keep doing it forever. Same roots, same cycle, endless food. Be honest. How many times have you thrown this away without knowing? Now here's what I want you to do. Tomorrow, when you step into your kitchen, don't just see scraps. See potential. See a garden. See food that hasn't grown yet. Because the truth is, you were never throwing away waste. You were throwing away opportunity, but not anymore. Before you go, drop a comment. How many of these have you been throwing away without knowing? And if even one of these surprised you, share this with someone who needs to see it, because most people still have no idea. And if you made it this far, you already know Plato Farm and Garden is different. So hit subscribe, because what's coming next, you don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next video.